Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I created this space to empower, encourage, and educate you in the world of food and nutrition. With so much miscommunication out there, it is so hard to understand what is and is not good for us. Everything that I'm going to provide for you is unbiased and evidence-based. So check out my playlist that I already created: toddler nutrition, diet tips and disease prevention, different food and fitness tips, how-to videos, healthy recipes, and the list goes on and on. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, which simply means turn on notifications, so anytime I upload a video, which is going to be about 1 to 2 times a week, Mondays and Thursdays, you're going to be the first to know. Make sure you comment below, say hi, introduce yourself, let me know what different topics you want to learn about, because after all, this channel is created to help you. Thank you so much for checking in, and stay tuned for more videos.